Welcome to Artisan. Hello friends, my name is Shola.
नमस्ते, मैं हूँ जिगीशा।
Hello friends, my name is Monica. Hello friends, my name is Shura.
We made these paintings at JD Arts.
So
Come along and paint with us.
Alright, before we start painting, let's have a closer look at the paintings that we have made. These two paintings are made by me. This one is in acrylic paints, whereas this one is in oil paints. Now, as you can see, acrylic colors are brighter and they are more vibrant, whereas oil paints are calm and they give a soothing effect. So, the choice should be yours. I enjoy painting in both acrylic as well as oil. And now let's have a look at the paintings made by my children. Now you'll wonder how children in the age group of 10 to 15 years have made these wonderful paintings. This is possible because I follow simple tricks which I have developed to enable children to paint these wonderful paintings. For instance, for painting flowers, I ask them to put dots, that also with an earbud. So this becomes very easy for them and it becomes a fun activity. Now once the dots are laid down, then I use another trick. I ask them to make plus and multiplication signs on every dot. Now this also they can relate to, and very easily our flowers get ready. Finally, we make the petals and then with a toothpick we put dots at the center of these flowers. We add coats of paints, layers of paints. It also adds depth to the painting. The painting looks more nice. It looks good. I include such simple tips and tricks, or you can call them as hacks, in every painting tutorial of mine. And I've included a link to my other tutorials at the end of this video. So make sure that you watch this video till the end and find the link to other videos and explore other tutorials also, and I'm sure that it's going to be a great help, especially to beginners. Yes, these roses, now we have developed these roses using another technique which I will be explaining in the upcoming videos, so stay tuned for the same. And now let's begin.
first we'll mark the ground. So draw a line to separate the ground and the wall. Okay? Now paint this with burnt sienna, that is brown color. Okay? Now the wall in grey color. Very well done. You blended it nicely. The big one.
Now which colors have you used?
White and yellow ochre.
Okay. Now let's sketch the pots first and then we'll color them.
box you have to paint in? ठीक है ना ठीक है ना Now there is pots? Yellow color. You have to cover it only in the middle, huh? Blend the two colors. Yeah. Yeah, correct. Now for the plants, we mark half circles.
Green and half circle lemon.
नहीं मतलब the green halves are over. Now you paint the remaining halves in. Good. Now blend the two colors. We are making the leaves now in a combination of green and yellow. Now with an earbud,
Yes, we'll put some
we are using earbuds for making the
flower.
Continue in the same fashion. Yes. Now make plus signs on each dot. Yeah, for the flower. Yes, on that also. Do it.
Now I can do the
I'll give you the next color.
inverse.
Outwards. So now we make plus
and plus.
sign and multiplication sign on each dot. If you all speak, how will my instructions get recorded? Children, no talk. We put plus signs on each dot. Those are going to form the flowers. Now we give the finishing touch to all the flowers, huh? After those plus and multiplication sign, na?
Yes.
Again we use the respective colors.
On top of the white color
Yeah.
to show the petals.
To show the petals, right? Now
Dots in
the
the
last
middle.
step.
To give dots in the middle of the flowers with black.
Good. Take a black color. Take a banana. Now we are doing the detailing.
Detailing with white for the walls.
Correct. No, don't do that. Use other colors. एक काम करो, put white से ना, put the white dots on the center of the blue flowers. Exactly on the center of the blue flowers. हाँ, good. Now finally we make the buds after completing the flowers.
We are going to the birds, which is our last step.
मैंने ये मैम के बुक से यूज किए थे डिजाइन मैम का पेंटिंग का बुक है ना मैम ने मुझे पता कौन सा करना
Show me.
These have come up very well, huh?
I made this painting actually. If you like